Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to revise the topic importance of exothermic reactions in daily life, and we have to mark the answer of the questions in the exercise related to this topic. Question number 5.11, describe the importance of exothermic reactions in everyday life. Answer is on page number 73. It will start from this line. Exothermic reactions have great importance in our daily life up to this line. Clear? And beta, short questions related to this topic are: number 1, how does exothermic reaction of burning of fossil fuel help to run the vehicles? The answer will start from this line. The heat released during burning of petrol or diesel in up to this line. Clear? Question number 2, how do we keep our body warm? The answer will start from this line. Heat produced during digestion of food in our body keeps us warm and alive. Clear? Third question is, define explosion. Ignition of dynamite and gunpowder are highly exothermic reactions and are termed as explosions. Such explosions are used for blasting in mines. Thank you. I have to revise question number 1 of the exercise 5.1 and circle the correct option. First MCQ, carbon burns in air to release energy along with the formation of. Option 1 A, carbon dioxide, B, carbon dioxide and water, C, carbon dioxide and hydrogen, D, carbon monoxide and water. The correct option is A, carbon dioxide. Second statement, the products of the reaction between zinc and dilute sulfuric acid are. Option A, zinc oxide and water, B, zinc sulfide and water, C, zinc sulfate and hydrogen, D, zinc sulfide and hydrogen. Correct option is C, zinc sulfate and hydrogen. Statement 3, which of the following is an unbalanced chemical equation? A, CH4 plus 2O2 arrow 2H2O plus CO2. B, Na plus Cl2 arrow NaCl. C, carbon plus cuprous oxide arrow carbon monoxide plus copper 2Cu. D, carbon plus oxygen arrow carbon dioxide. Correct option is B, sodium plus chlorine arrow NaCl. This is an unbalanced equation. Fourth statement, heating of solid potassium chlorate produces a gas. Option A, chlorine, B, carbon dioxide, C, carbon monoxide, D, oxygen. The correct option is D, oxygen. Fifth statement, which of the following is an exothermic reaction? A, formation of iron sulfide from iron and sulfur, B, formation of nitric oxide from nitrogen and oxygen, C, formation of hydrogen iodide from hydrogen and iodine, D, formation of calcium oxide and carbon dioxide from calcium carbonate. The correct option is A, formation of iron sulfide from iron and sulfur. Sixth statement, which of the following is a balanced chemical equation? A, Fe plus 3Cl2 arrow 2FeCl3, B, Fe plus 3Cl2 arrow FeCl3, C, 2Fe plus 3Cl2 arrow 2FeCl3. Option D, Fe plus Cl2 arrow FeCl3. FeCl3 is ferric chloride. The correct option is C. This is a balanced chemical equation. Seventh statement, the following equation is properly balanced when XCO plus YO2 arrow ZCO2. Option A, X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 2 and Z is equal to 3. Option B, X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 1 and Z is equal to 1. Option C, Y is equal to 2, Y is equal to 2 and Z is equal to 2. Option D, X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 1 and Z is equal to 2. The correct option is D. X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 1 and Z is equal to 2. Eighth statement, how many oxygen atoms are present in one molecule of magnesium hydrogen carbonate? Option A 2, B 4, C 6, option D 8. Correct option is C 6. What are C2s are 6. 6 oxygen atoms are in this molecule. Ninth statement, the reaction between calcium oxide and carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate is an example of option A, addition reaction, B, decomposition reaction, C, acid-base reaction, D, neutralization reaction. The correct option is A, addition reaction. Then 10th statement, thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate produces a gas. A, oxygen, B, carbon dioxide, C, nitrogen, D, carbon monoxide. The correct option is B, carbon dioxide. Thank you.